Hi guys, I'm Polly, a polar bear. I was born in the midst of the frozen world. My most favorite thing is the ice. But then, gradually, the ice is gone. And now I just have little ice left to live and my home is disappearing. Let me show you the image about the change of coral's color. The twin perils brought by climate change, an increase in the temperature of the ocean and in its acidity, threaten its very existence. So different, y'all. Now, we move on to the next point to find out what's wrong with the world through some data that Polly borrowed from NASA. Hope you can see it. The increase of carbon dioxide that made our lovely coral whitened, and the same phenomenon affects your hometown too. The weather has become more extreme, and summers are hotter than ever, and winters are now colder. So what is climate change? Deep down more, different from the weather that changes day by day, climate is something bigger. Climate describes the typical weather conditions in an entire region for a very long time, 30 years or more. For example, the climate of your country is hot and moist, but at my home, it is very cold and icy. This should be stable over time, but as you can see, it is now different. Are you curious of what made it? Let's find out and rescue our home. What causes climate change? Climate change happens because of the greenhouse effect. When the sunlight shines into the house, the glass walls of the greenhouse trap the sun's heat so that the heat will be used when needed. Gases like CO2 and methane in the atmosphere to trap heat from the sun. Those gases are known as greenhouse gases. Now, let's think of the hot pot. What happens if we increase the temperature when boiling it? It happens exactly the same with our planet. Our planet is now becoming hotter. So what should us children do? You should take action from small tasks. For example, turn off the lights or water tap when not using. Yes, finally, you've come to the last step of rescuing our home.